In this tutorial, I'll show you the Kajabi marketing settings. First, log into your Kajabi admin dashboard. Near the bottom left, click on Settings. Under Site Settings, find Marketing Settings and click on it. Here, you'll see the marketing contact address. This is a basic contact address that you're required to provide. If you don't want to share your home address, you can legally use a P.O. box instead. Keep in mind that this address will appear at the bottom of all your marketing emails, which is why using a P.O. box is recommended if privacy is a concern. Next is the company logo section. You can leave this empty, but I strongly recommend uploading your logo. This logo will appear at the top of your marketing emails, so it's important for branding. Click Start Branding once you're ready. Now, let's move on to the email settings. For the from name, use your personal name, company name, or organization name. For the from email, something like support@yourdomain.com works well. Personally, I keep the reply email and from email the same, and you can do that too. You'll also see the option for a custom email domain. If you don't want to use Kajabi's default email settings, you can connect your own custom domain. However, there are advantages and disadvantages to this, most of them related to email deliverability. Make sure to do your own research before switching. Personally, I use Kajabi's default email settings, and the deliverability has been excellent, so you can safely continue using them if you prefer. Finally, there's the email sequence setting. If you know when your target audience is most active online, you can schedule your email sequences to be sent at a specific time. This is a very useful feature. You can choose both the time and the time zone, and your email sequences will be delivered accordingly. That concludes the overview of Kajabi marketing settings. Once you're happy with all your changes, don't forget to save them.